Let's learn our ABCs. A for apple, apple. B for book, book. C for cat, cat. D for dog, dog. E for egg, egg. F for fish, fish. G for goat, goat. H for hat, hat. I for ice cream, ice cream. J for jump rope, jump rope. K for kitten. L for lion, lion. M for monkey, monkey. N for nest, nest. O for orange, orange. P for parrot, parrot. Q for queen, queen. R for rainbow, rainbow. S for sun, sun. T for train, train. U for unicorn, unicorn. V for volcano, volcano. W for whale, whale. X for xylophone, xylophone. Y for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z for zebra, zebra. We know